Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're tackling English tenses with 35 tricky multiple choice questions. Think you can master them all? Let's find out. 1. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like apples. Tips: use correct subject verb agreement. 2. What does break the ice mean? To start a conversation. Tips: understand common idioms. 3. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Where is my book, John? Tips: pay attention to punctuation. 4. What does the idiom spill the beans mean? Reveal a secret. Tips: idioms are figurative expressions. 5. Select the sentence in the correct tense. I am reading a book now. Tips: choose present progressive for ongoing actions. 6. Identify the correctly used word, affect or effect. The drug had no effect on him. Tips: differentiate between effect, verb, and effect, noun. 7. Which sentence uses a metaphor? Life is a journey. Tips: metaphors make comparisons without like or as. 8. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am tired. He said that he was tired. Tips: transform direct speech into reported speech. 9. Identify the sentence in active voice. Sarah baked the cake. Tips: active voice shows the subject doing the action. 10. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She doesn't like coffee. Tips: use contractions for correct negative statements. 11. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Hello, how are you? Tips: punctuation adds clarity. Use commas in direct questions. 12. Identify the correct tense. She has been working here since 2015. Present perfect. Tips: tense matters, since indicates the present perfect tense. 13. Which sentence uses the word effect correctly? The weather will affect the crops. Tips: affect is a verb meaning to influence. 14. Choose the sentence with the correct use of there. There is a car outside. Tips: there refers to location in this context. 15. Which is a compound sentence? I went home because it was late. Tips: compound sentences connect two independent clauses. 16. Identify the correct use of its. The cat licked its paws. Tips: it shows possession, it means it is. 17. Which sentence uses passive voice? The cake was eaten by me. Tips: passive voice emphasizes the action or object. 18. What does euphemism mean? A polite expression. Tips: euphemism softens harsh or blunt expressions. 19. What is the correct indirect speech? He said that he was tired. Tips: indirect speech changes pronouns and tenses. 20. He stayed home. It was raining. Because. Tips: because gives the reason for an action. 21. She. To the concert last night. Went. Tips: use simple past tense for completed actions. 22. If I. The lottery, I would travel the world. One. Tips: use the simple past tense in conditional if clauses type 2. 23rd. The book. By a famous author. Was written. Tips: use passive voice when the action matters more than the doer. 24th. I'm looking forward. You soon. To seeing. Tips: looking forward to takes a gerund, verb plus ing. 25. He's been working here 5 years. 4. Tips: use for with periods of time. 26. I wish I. A better job. Had. Tips: wish clauses use simple past for unreal situations. 27. The weather is. Today than yesterday. Better. Tips: use the comparative form of adjectives. 28th. She asked me. I had seen the movie. If. Tips: use if for reported yes or no questions. 29. He is very good. Playing the piano. At. Tips: good at is a common phrase. 30. They. The meeting by the time we arrived. Had started. Tips: use past perfect for earlier past actions. 31. He speaks English. Than I do. More fluent. Tips: comparative forms of adverbs. 32. This is the movie I have ever seen. Worst. Tips: the superlative is used to compare three or more. 33. The rain, we went for a walk. Despite. Tips: use a noun or noun phrase after despite or in spite of. 34. I'm not sure. I should do next. What? Tips: use what to introduce an indirect question. 35. She is. Then her brother. Taller. Tips: use comparative form to compare two things. 36. By next year, they gear for 10 years. Will have been working. Tips: use future perfect continuous for ongoing future actions. 37. I don't have money to buy a car. Much. Tips: use much for uncountable nouns. 38. What is the past tense of go? Went. Tips: irregular verbs like go don't take ed. 39. Choose the correct sentence. He can speak English. Tips: can is followed by the base form of the verb. 40. What does bizarre mean? Strange. Tips: bizarre refers to something unusual or odd. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tense challenges. Keep learning, see you in the next one.